Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset Windows 11 step by step. Whether you want to keep your files or remove everything for a clean reinstall. Let's get into it. Part 1, Open Reset Options. Click Start, then click Settings. Go to System and click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click Reset this PC. You'll now see two main choices. Option 1, Keep my files. Option 2, Remove everything. In this tutorial, I'll choose the Keep my files option step by step. Next, choose how you want to reinstall Windows. Choose Local Reinstall. Click Next. Review the reset summary. Click Reset. Your PC will restart, and the reset process will begin. This can take 20 to 60 minutes. When done, you'll log back in with your files intact, but all apps and settings will be reset. Your system will now fully wipe and reinstall Windows 11. This process takes longer but gives you a fresh, like new PC. Once the reset is done, you'll go through the initial setup just like a new computer. Choose your region, keyboard. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one. Choose privacy settings. Set up your desktop. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Got questions or problems during reset? Drop a comment below, and I'll help you out.